Hello, quickly I am here to tell you how to donate to endpolio.org. So when you enter endpolio.org/donate, or you can directly click on this donate from the top right hand side. So you can see there are two options. You can donate to endpolio.org in memory of someone or in honor of someone. So when it selected as a honor of somebody, like you need to enter the honorary name, and if you select in memory, so in memory of somebody who you lost, okay, so you can just in the memory you can pay to the polio endpolio.org. So, and also if you wanted to notify someone who on behalf of, like, or you are dedicating this donation, then you click on this one, and you can either notify them through email, or you can yourself print it and send it by hand. Then when you print it by hand, then you need to choose the designs on which this has to be printed. So you can put the name of the donor, say like your name, and choose any one of the design. Yeah, so once you choose any one of the design, that design will be printed. And also if you wanted to put some message on these designs, then you can add these messages. So when you select these things, when you just preview, then it is, the name is mandatory. So suppose, say like I will put some name, okay, and donor name is also required. Okay, this is just for an preview. When you just have the preview here, you can see, so this kind of email and this kind of print will come. So after selecting all these settings, then there is a part for donation. So you can select any of the country, so India, and in India also you can pay through uh, pay in rupee, and you can pay in US dollars also. So suppose, say like if you wanted to pay around $101, then we have these options, 100 and all. And if you want to pay in Indian rupee, so then 7,500, this is $101. Then you can sign in. So you can sign in through your Rotary account, or you can continue as guest. So if you say continue as guest, then it will show you all the names and everything it will ask. And after that you can either pay through net banking or credit card. So this is a very brief and simple way of donating to endpolio.org. Thank you for watching.